If you purchase the 230 volt version of the Extreme Advanced, before you can use the unit, you must first wire the plug for 230 volts. The 115 volt version of the Extreme Advanced comes with the plug installed. Remove the contents of the dust tray, which include a filter wrench, air fitting adapter, and a 3/8 inch industrial quick disconnect air fitting. Install the air fitting adapter and snug tight with an adjustable wrench or a 3/4 inch wrench. Install the 3/8 inch industrial quick disconnect. Be sure to use thread tape to ensure a proper seal. Snug tight with an adjustable or 11/16 inch wrench. Ensure that the air supply is cleaned and dried. Connect your air line to the fitting. To maintain proper flow, the supply air pressure must be between 70 and 90 psi. Setting up the torch and welding machine is the same as if you were welding without fume extraction. Do this now. Connect the provided extraction hose to the torch and the unit. Plug the unit into either a 230 volt or 115 volt socket depending on the unit you purchased. When not using the auto start-stop function, set the switch to manual and use the power switch to power the unit on and off. To use the auto start-stop function, set the switch to auto and keep the power switch set to on as shown here. Connect the current sensing shunt around either the welding torch cable or ground cable. Use the airflow control dial on the front of the unit to adjust vacuum speed up or down as needed. The Extreme Advanced features automatic filter cleaning. Cleaning pulses occur between welds when using the auto start-stop function. When not using the auto start-stop function, the unit will pulse at startup and if necessary during shutdown. The service light will activate when filter cleaning is necessary. If the service light is still on after the cleaning cycles, verify your compressed air supply is secure and replace filters if necessary. Before working with your fume extraction setup, we recommend you perform some test welds to ensure proper fume extraction is taking place.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos, like this one. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this video in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to be the first to see the latest from Abacore Bidsel.